In this video, I'm going to show you how to receive crypto to your EVM wallet on Metamask. So the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you do have your EMV wallet ready and prepared. So I'm going to quickly show you guys how to do this. So all you want to do is you want to open up Metamask, and then you want to go to the bottom menu and select on this compass icon like so. Then in the search bar, you want to go ahead and look for this particular website right over here, coredao.org, and it should look something like this. So all you want to do is you want to go ahead and scroll all the way down until you see this option that does say add core network. There'll be like a MetaMask logo right next to it. So all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on it like so, and then it will say success, core network has been added to MetaMask. So that is how you know that you are on the right track. So now the next thing you want to do is you want to go to the very top, and where it says account, you want to go ahead and press on the drop down menu. Then you want to go ahead and hit on these three dots, and then you want to go ahead and press on share my public address just like so. And then there you go. Here is now your public address, and all you want to do is you want to go ahead and just copy it to your clipboard. And basically from here, what you need to do is you need to go ahead and use this address, and basically you need to give the sender your address in order for you to receive crypto to your EMV wallet. So it's really important that you go ahead and actually use that crypto address. Or if you guys want to go ahead and get core in particular, like the core DAO, then what you need to do is you need to go ahead and select on it, then press on receive just like so. And then here is your address once again. So basically the person needs to go ahead and send you crypto to this wallet address right over here. Basically you want to use this wallet address, and you basically do it like you would for any other currency. They have to send you money to your crypto account, and then you should be able to receive it. Just once again, make sure that everything does work on the EMV network. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.